and it's doing that at 100 miles an hour.
That's a good one!
A lot of you guys who have fiberglass doors, and I know a lot of people rock them, there is a big issue with them, especially on a Clio. I'm not sure about other cars, but on a Clio it's definitely quite an issue. They're flexing and starts wobbling at high speed. It's only the top part, because obviously there is no much reinforcement left. At higher speeds above 100 miles an hour, that's not fun. And both sides do the same. It's quite noticeable, and it can be quite nerve-wracking when you sort of glance over it while you're driving. You're like, oh my god, is the door gonna come off? For the last year and a half I've been driving my Clio with this issue. Obviously nothing happened, but it's just annoying. So I think I found a solution. It's one of those. It's a Lexan window latch kit for Lexan windows. For some reason you can only buy them in America. Come on, UK suppliers, we need this stuff. Get them into UK. This thing cost me $200 plus $80 shipping, and Parcel Force charged me another £50, 50 quid for customs. But like I said, there is none of those solutions exist in the UK. The beauty about those things is that you can both lock it from the inside and unlock it from the inside, and also after I install it, I'll show you, you can open it from the outside as well. That's the whole point of it, because if you have a crash, then a marshal can actually open your door from the outside. And this is the little hook that you weld to your roll cage, and that attaches to your window, and in a lock position it's like that, preventing it from opening. And then when you open it, obviously you can open it, but then from the outside you can, and you lock it. So I reckon it's an easy couple of hours work, well, with brakes and everything. Let's get to it. So I just made a little bracket out of aluminium tubing. The reason why I did that is because I think we're gonna fit it right here like that. And obviously I need to mark where it is, and I don't want to cut the old one, so we can roughly get the length we need. Snip it. Oh. It's a projectile. Fucking hell. Shorter version, and now we can see actually, you know what? We can weld it on the outside. You know what? I think it works in this position. Alright, let me show you how it works. You close the door and then you simply push this lever, and you see what it does? It prevents it from flexing. I'm quite disappointed. Quarter meat or whatever you are, LRJ, for $200. I'm not even counting the delivery and the custom tax. For $200, the bolts you provided and the holes, they don't fit. Clearly they don't fit. It's not just tight, they don't fit. I have to drill them out. Fair enough. I've drilled one out, 3.5 mil, so it fits. Again, this is in your kit, the little nuts that you provided. How on earth is this supposed to fit in here? This little tab is preventing the nut from being close. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to show you. Can you see a hole? Can you see a nut? $200. Seriously? So what am I supposed to do now? I mean, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just file this a little bit, but for $200. I mean, this is what I expect from a $20 Chinese knockoff. Not good, not good. You're probably lucky that I don't have like million followers. Not yet anyways, only a couple of thousand. Cause, yeah. For $200, and you couldn't even drill the holes the correct size. Unbelievable. And that's how you close it from the outside. You literally push it in and it's locked. And now you can see, yeah, no more flappiness. What I'm thinking of doing, I'll make a little template in Photoshop, cut the words push out, and then we'll use a bit of this green just so it's a bit more visible. I reckon we can call it a tutorial, because I have not seen a single video on how to fit them properly. I don't think there's that many ways of fitting it properly, but at least you know that the bloody holes are different size, so you need to drill them out. And other than that, I'm very happy with it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your thing. Click like, obviously. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.